The Honda Riding Assist is an innovative motorcycle concept that showcases Honda's cutting-edge robotics and balance control technology. Unveiled at CES 2017, this self-balancing motorcycle is designed to greatly enhance rider safety and stability, especially at low speeds where balance is most challenging. Unlike traditional gyroscope-based systems, Honda uses technology derived from its humanoid robots to automatically adjust the steering and maintain upright positioning without requiring rider input. This not only reduces the risk of falls but also makes riding more accessible to beginners. The Riding Assist can even follow its rider at walking speed, adding convenience in everyday use. By blending advanced robotics with motorcycle engineering, Honda redefines the future of two-wheel mobility with a focus on safety, comfort, and rider confidence. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 is a futuristic self-balancing electric motorcycle concept that embodies Yamaha's vision of creating a deeper connection between rider and machine. Unveiled as the evolution of the original Motoroid, this advanced prototype uses artificial intelligence and Yamaha's exclusive balance control technology to stand upright on its own, even without a kickstand. What sets the Motoroid 2 apart is its ability to recognize its owner through biometric authentication and respond to gestures, almost like a living companion. It can autonomously move forward, follow its rider, and return to an upright position after leaning. With its sleek, sci-fi-inspired design and cutting-edge robotics, the Motoroid 2 represents Yamaha's bold step toward merging mobility with emotional interaction, making the motorcycle not just a vehicle, but a responsive partner in the riding experience. The Kawasaki J concept, unveiled at the 2013 Tokyo Motor Show, is a radical three-wheeled electric motorcycle concept that reimagines the future of personal mobility. With its striking futuristic design, the J concept features a highly adaptable chassis that can transform between two distinct riding modes: a sporty low-slung mode for high-speed performance and an upright comfort mode for relaxed urban cruising. This flexibility is made possible through its unique front suspension and adjustable wheelbase system. Powered by Kawasaki's cutting-edge battery and electric propulsion technology, the J concept emphasizes sustainability while maintaining the brand's trademark performance edge. More than just a concept bike, it showcases Kawasaki's vision of combining innovation, style, and versatility to create a new category of motorcycles for the future. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100, revealed in 2016 as part of BMW's centenary celebrations, is a revolutionary motorcycle concept designed to embody the future of mobility. This futuristic two-wheeler combines sleek aesthetics with groundbreaking self-balancing technology, allowing the bike to remain upright both when stationary and in motion, drastically improving rider safety. Its flexible frame, known as the flex frame, eliminates the need for traditional joints, enabling smooth steering adjustments without complex mechanics. Powered by a zero-emission electric drive system, the Vision Next 100 also emphasizes sustainability while delivering the dynamic performance BMW Motorrad is known for. Enhancing the experience further, riders wear a smart visor that provides real-time data, navigation, and hazard alerts directly in their field of vision. By blending digital intelligence, safety innovations, and iconic design, the BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 presents an exciting vision of motorcycling in a connected, eco-friendly future. The BMW R1300 GS is a next-generation adventure motorcycle that represents the evolution of BMW Motorrad's iconic GS lineup. Equipped with a newly developed 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer engine, it delivers more power, efficiency, and smoother performance than its predecessors, making it a versatile machine for both on-road touring and off-road exploration. Built on a lighter yet stronger chassis, the R1300 GS enhances agility while maintaining the durability and ruggedness expected from the GS series. Advanced features such as semi-active suspension, adaptive ride height, modern rider assist technologies, and customizable riding modes ensure maximum comfort, safety, and control across varying terrains. With its refined design, improved aerodynamics, and cutting-edge technology, the BMW R1300 GS continues the legacy of adventure biking, offering riders the perfect balance of performance, innovation, and long-distance capability. The Arch 1S is a premium performance cruiser motorcycle crafted by Arch Motorcycle, the company co-founded by actor Keanu Reeves and designer Gard Hollinger. Designed and built in California, the Ones combines bespoke craftsmanship with cutting-edge engineering, offering a unique blend of sport and cruiser elements. Powered by a high-performance 124 Ci, 2032 cubic centimeters, SNS V-twin engine, it delivers thrilling torque and a raw, responsive riding experience. Its aggressive stance is complemented by a lightweight carbon fiber body, CNC-machined aluminum components, and premium suspension for exceptional handling and stability. The Arch Ones also emphasizes rider personalization, with each bike tailored to its owner's specifications, ensuring exclusivity and individuality. As the brand's first production single-sided swing-arm motorcycle, the Arch Ones embodies bold design, luxury, and performance, making it a true statement piece in the world of custom high-end motorcycles. The BMW CE04 is a futuristic electric scooter that redefines urban mobility with its bold design and advanced technology. Powered by a compact electric motor and lithium-ion battery, it delivers smooth, instant acceleration and a range of up to 80 miles, making it ideal for daily city commutes. With a top speed of around 75 miles per hour, the CE04 combines practicality with excitement, offering riders both efficiency and performance. Its striking, minimalist styling features a low, elongated profile, floating seat, and LED lighting, giving it a distinctly modern look. Packed with smart features such as a 10.25-inch TFT color display, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and multiple riding modes, it ensures convenience and control at every ride. Built with sustainability in mind while maintaining BMW's signature premium quality, the CE04 is more than just a scooter, it's a glimpse into the future of electric urban transportation. The BMW R20 is a modern roadster concept that pays tribute to BMW Motorrad's legendary boxer engine heritage while embracing bold, futuristic styling. Revealed as a design showcase, it features a newly developed 2,000 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled two-cylinder boxer engine, emphasizing raw mechanical presence and performance. The minimalist frame, exposed mechanics, and muscular stance highlight its blend of tradition and innovation, while premium components such as Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, and lightweight aluminum parts ensure precision handling and stability. Its classic round headlamp, paired with modern LED technology, creates a striking balance between retro charm and contemporary design. Built as a big boxer statement piece, the BMW R20 embodies power, craftsmanship, and timeless appeal, offering enthusiasts a glimpse of how BMW envisions the future of its iconic boxer motorcycles. The MV Agusta Superveloce 1000 is a breathtaking superbike that combines Italian artistry with cutting-edge performance. Inspired by MV Agusta's racing heritage, it features a striking neo-retro design with aerodynamic winglets integrated into its sleek fairing, blending classic styling cues with modern engineering. At its heart lies a powerful 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, derived from the brand's F4 Superbike, capable of delivering exhilarating speed and precision on both road and track. Advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS, ensure maximum safety and adaptability, while premium components like Öhlins suspension and Brembo braking systems provide exceptional handling and control. With its seamless mix of elegance, innovation, and raw performance, the Supervelis 1000 stands as a masterpiece of motorcycle design, embodying MV Agusta's relentless pursuit of beauty and speed. The Ducati X-Diavel V4 is a powerful fusion of cruiser comfort and superbike performance, embodying Ducati's signature blend of style, technology, and innovation. At its core is the 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 Gran Turismo engine, delivering explosive power with smooth delivery while offering extended service intervals for practicality. Its bold, muscular design features a low stance, wide rear tire, and premium finishes that highlight Ducati's attention to detail. Equipped with advanced rider aids such as cornering ABS, traction control, riding modes, and cruise control, the X-Diavel V4 ensures both safety and convenience on long journeys or spirited rides. Premium components, including fully adjustable suspension and high-performance braking systems, enhance comfort and control. As both a performance cruiser and a luxury statement, the Ducati X-Diavel V4 redefines what a modern power cruiser can be: elegant, thrilling, and unmistakably Ducati.